Hello everyone, today we will learn if function with AND formula in Excel. For this, first create data. We will take 7 student name and their marks, English subject marks, math subject marks and computer science subject marks. We use if function with AND function to check multiple conditions at same time. It returns a result only if all those conditions are true. If any condition is false, then it will show false result. To find out student result, first we will type equal to, then if bracket open and bracket open, then if B2 is greater than 35, comma, C2 is greater than 35, comma, if D2 is greater than 35, then bracket close, comma, we will write pass, comma, then double inverted comma open, then we will write fail, double inverted comma close, bracket close, enter. Here all the conditions are true, so it will show pass. If any condition is less than 35, then it will show fail. We will use this formula to find out student grade and student result.